Good morning, everybody. Hey, look at that sunshine. Beautiful day today, about 60 degrees. Out walking the dog. It is, I think, February 4th. Yeah, we were supposed to leave tomorrow, but we're having such a good time, we're going to stay another week. We have done so much stuff down here. We've done just about my favorite things, even though I've discovered a lot of them aren't my favorite things anymore. We're, because times change. Owners and operators of different places we like to go to, they've changed. So, you go see them, they're different, you find another favorite thing, which we're going to do this week. The girls are just tired to death of riding in the back of that little Jeep, which I can understand that. So I don't think we're going to go on any long runs. We wanted to go to Borrego Springs. If you've never been there, it's in California. I suggest if you're anywhere near that place, go to that. That is awesome. But that's a 300-mile trip from here. Like I said, if we had a Cadillac, we'd just shoot right over there. But that little Jeep, they ain't made for traveling in the front seat. They definitely ain't made it for the back seat. Okay, so we're just going to let the girls do what they want to do. And I think a lot of that's just going to be sitting around camp. So there won't be a lot. Dog spinning me around. He must know the history of every dog. There you go. And he leaves his history for the other dogs. But anyway, I digress. We're not going to do much, I don't think, this week. What we do, I will film. I really enjoyed that Renaissance Fair yesterday. Hope you got that video already. It was fun to go do and see. And like I said, we've done about everything I can think of down here, other than that one. So, they got much more videos to go after this one. We were going to go up to Laughlin and spend this week, but it's raining all week long in Laughlin, and I don't want to be sitting in an RV in the rain, and it's also 10 to 15 degrees cooler, so we're just going to stay here, like I said, and then head out in about 1 week from today. So hang in here, I'll shoot you something when I get her going. Maybe right hooked onto this. Yeah, let's hook a video onto this. Good morning, everybody. All right, we are here. We are going over the ocean-to-ocean bridge right here in Yuma, Arizona. And the weather is, what's the weather like, Vicki?
Rainy.
And what's the temperature there, Cassandra?
Warm.
Warm, okay, warm and rainy. And that was it. That's the original. Oh, we could have turned right there, but okay. Vicki told me I could do that.
We turned around last time.
Yeah. Now we're in California.
Are we in California? We're in trouble now. We're in California.
Yeah, I've never been over here.
You want to go check this out?
The gate was locked.
Oh.
We came over here and turned around.
Yeah.
Right across the bridge there.
Okay, well, let's turn around here and we're going to go back that
We're
way.
in California.
We're in California?
Yeah.
That's my first time to be in California.
No, you was here last
whenever.
time.
Oh, that's
What is, I wonder what that is down there.
Okay.
Paradise.
Whoa!
Yeah.
And there's the RV camp down there. I don't think we've been on this. Well,
Oh, yeah.
something new.
Dang.
But should we go plunk a dog? No, we better not.
But we'll go to one y'all know.
All right, we're going to go in here and turn around and go back across the bridge and down to the park. All right, that's it for there. That was your ocean to ocean.
Vicki, where are we going?
Lutes Casino,
And what town is that in?
Yuma, Arizona.
Really? And what are we going to do in Luke's Casino? Are we going to gamble?
No,
Why not?
we're broke.
Oh, I thought they didn't gamble in the
Spend all
Luke's
your money in
Casino.
Mexico.
We can get a tattoo. We ought to get a group tattoo. No?
All my buddies always want to get when we go to our Vietnam reunion.
Uh-huh.
I never get.
Haven't made it yet, huh?
After I eat those, I get some more of those.
Are we going to Luke's?
Some more. That's my favorite. Thank you, though.
All right, well, this is Luke's Casino. We're going to check it out.
Oh, this is where we ate the hamburgers.
Yeah, pretty cool. What are we going to do?
Is there another one there? No?
What are you looking for? We ought to sit at a table so we can all talk.
Okay.
We got tables over here. This one?
Oh, Charlie doesn't like the tall ones. Let's get a small one.
Oh, heck yeah.
There's one right back here. Here we go. Got to find the right table. This one will work. How about this one? All right. Well, I'm going to look around a little bit. You guys have a seat. Lots of art in here. Lots of everything in here. We don't know if we're eating in here yet or we're going to have pizza in here. Boy, they got everything.
What's my first thing?
Lots of stuff. So anyway, there's 2 minutes of Luke's Casino, downtown Yuma. Well, here we are at Luke's eating now. Vicky's
And
got
drinking.
a Reuben. You got a nacho.
Uh-huh.
That nacho looks good compared to the Mexican one.
Thank you, dear.
And Charlie got a mountain of chili and Fritos.
Small, good,
Chili, what? Frito chili?
it's small.
That's a small, yeah. There's a small.
Thank God.
Yum, we're gonna dig into that right now. Well, boys, we're just here chilling. The three boys are, while the women are shopping. Yep, we're downtown Yuma, enjoying this wonderful sunshine. We're just gonna say good morning or good afternoon now. Yeah, good afternoon, boys.
See you guys later.